Welcome back to the Academic Writing Amplified podcast. I'm your host, Kathy Mazak, and I'm in the middle of a little mini series of mini podcasts that are around 5 minutes long each that are inspired by some coaching work that I'm doing. So I hope that you enjoy them. Today's episode is called A Fearless Summer. So I've been talking in this little mini series about the growth that I'm trying to create for myself. And I've been inviting you along to think about how you've been approaching your own growth. Because here's what I want for you and for me, right? A fearless summer of growth. Here's one way I'm conquering fear and choosing to grow. Shifting from have to energy to get to energy. This is like a really big shift in mindset in the way you think about things, okay? So here's what that looks like for me right now. To reach my big growth goal, I'm going to do a lot of things. Like I'm going to have to do a lot of things. Like actual number of items on the to-do list is a lot. So this is what fear-filled thinking sounds like. Wow, that's a lot of things. I'm so tired. I have to do so many things. Maybe I don't need to do all of those things. Maybe I can just cut that thing over there and it will still be fine. I have a lot on my plate and some of these things are so hard. Okay, that was all fear-filled thinking. So what does fearless thinking sound like? It sounds like thoughts like this. I get to do these things, right? I get to do these things. How can I do them faster? How can I hold them more lightly so I can accomplish them and receive the energy from doing them? Wow, it feels really good to create a plan and follow through. It was scary, but I did it. Those are all fearless thoughts. So fear-filled thinking and have to energy have been keeping my results the same because I have remained the same. And in a way, like I've been even telling myself, that's fine. The same is stable. Stable is enough. But I wasn't meant for fine, and neither were you. Embracing fearless thinking and get to energy means facing the things that will create my growth head on. It means I grow. Instead of fine, I get to have awesome. So I want you to think about the ways that you could shift from have to energy to get to energy. And if you'd also like awesome instead of just fine, particularly when it comes to your writing and publishing, I am doing a free workshop on April 23rd at 1 p.m. Eastern. It is my summer writing planning workshop. I've done several of these before in my career. I used to do them every year. And as part of my commitment to do more free things for my community and my podcast audience, I am inviting you to come to the summer writing planning workshop on Thursday, April 23rd. So it's a free 90-minute workshop, and I will walk you through the same method that I teach and navigate for planning your writing in the context of your real life. So inside my program, that's called the Writing Roadmap. For summer, real life needs to include rest. So what we're going for this summer is writing and rest. I'm trying to get at least 500 people registered for this workshop. So that's 500 academic summers of writing and rest. And that's the kind of impact that I'm working towards that will support my big growth goal. So in the show notes, I will leave you the page that you can go and register for the webinar. Or for the workshop rather. It's a 90-minute workshop. We're going to do a calendar markup activity. I'm going to talk to you all about setting like achievable goals, and you will walk away with a really great summer plan and energy. Like I get to write this summer instead of I have to write this summer. I get to rest this summer instead of I have to rest this summer. That shift in energy is so, so important. I hope that you're enjoying this mini series. You can find the link to sign up for the Summer Writing Planning Workshop for free in the show notes.